Is there something that's been on your to-do list for the longest time and you're just not moving in the right direction? Do you have this crazy vision and you've just not gotten started on it yet? Well, in today's video, I'm gonna show you an effortless way to get underway so you can begin making your dream a reality. Check it out. Oprah Winfrey has some wise words for us. She said, quote, "I believe there's a calling for all of us. The real work of our lives is to become aware and awakened to answer the call." What is it that you want to do? What is it that you need to do? What is it that you feel called to do? Think about it for a minute. Why is it that you haven't yet made time for that calling, for whatever it is that's truly important to you? Let me guess, you just haven't been ready. You've been too busy getting all of your ducks in a row. You find it difficult to break away from all the other obligations that you've got going on in your life. Let's take some wisdom from Pablo Picasso. He said, "Only put off until tomorrow what you're willing to die having left undone." The easiest way to make time for what's truly important to you is to have a plan and to have a clear plan. And I'm going to share with you exactly how to do that. Let's go. Step one, imagine you have already achieved your big goal, your big dream. Whatever it is you want in your life or in your business, you have already achieved it. Put yourself there. What does it look like? What has it done for you? How do you feel now that you've achieved it? What are others saying about you? In your mind, stew for a minute on your success. So here's an example. For me, I plan on creating a course. It's coming out in the future, and it's my hope that thousands of people are gonna buy this course. And I'm visualizing what it's like having already just achieved that. Now that you know what you have already achieved, what I want you to do is I want you to step back maybe about 2 weeks, okay? And I want you to imagine what happened 2 weeks before you accomplished that goal. For me, with my example of the course, I put the final touches on the marketing plan, and I put my marketing department to work to execute on the marketing plan. Let's say you're writing a book. You completed that manuscript and you sent that in for final edits. Whatever those steps are, write those down. Now what I want you to do is step back. What happened just a little bit before then? We're going back in time, one step at a time, and we are saying, okay, just before I completed the manuscript, what did I have to do? Oh, I had to approve the cover art. Oh, I had to review the table of contents. Step back again. And before that, and before that, at a certain point, you're gonna step back so far that you're gonna be all the way back at the beginning of the process, and guess what? You have a plan. You visualized a future reality, and then what you did was you stepped back step by step, and now you can step into your future, and it can become a reality. The hypothesis here is that the reason we don't get started is because we don't know where to go. We don't know what our game plan is. What I've helped you accomplish is a very, very rough outline of the major steps that are required for you to achieve any goal. And all you really need to do is visualize it in your mind and say to yourself, all right, what did I likely do then? And just keep reverse engineering it one step at a time until you get all the way back to the beginning. And that will be your game plan.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
Okay, now I know some of you right now are like, I have no frickin' idea how to reverse engineer something I've never done before. And that's a legit concern. And I'm here to tell you it doesn't matter. All you need to do is guess. The thing that holds us back the most is not having any kind of plan at all. Don't worry about having it perfect, just guess, even if they turn out to be the wrong steps, because your goal is to get a plan On paper, it doesn't need to be perfect. It doesn't need to be accurate. It just needs to be imagined. Now is the easy part. Step into your plan. You've got everything you need to get started. And you know what? Because you have a plan, you'll be able to make time for it. You won't have any more excuses. Instead, you'll be able to help make that plan a reality. Go for it. In my next video, I'm going to talk about why a competitive, crowded marketplace is actually a really good sign for you. Watch it right here. Oh, and by the way, still got things holding you back with your time? Check out this video on how to create a stopping list.